25,876. Nifty is flattish. The Nifty Bank is kind of flat as well, but just about starting, right? 58,171 or so. Sideways. You got the mid-cap index, which is up or not. It's flat, nothing. 2-point change on the Nifty mid-cap index. There's a 60,000, 61,000 index. And I think the small-cap index will come up on your screen as well. And that is up a little bit more. Actually, yesterday, the small-cap index was sulking. Everything else was roaring. So maybe a little bit of a pullback there. Otherwise, it's a very flat start. Nifty 50 heat map will come up on your screen, gives you a sense of where we are starting this morning. And then we pick it up in terms of individual names. So it is more down than up. Asian Paints on one end, what Mangalam was talking about just now. And at the other end, you got ONGC, BEL, Eternal, and others. Surabhi.
Okay, so let's take a look at the movers and shakers. Honasa, by the way, is 9% higher. 9%. I mean, really going great guns. It was just open on my screen here. So that's really the stock of the morning for sure. But on the large cap screen, things are a little quiet. We're about 40 points down on the Nifty. So let's figure out what's down. ONGC and BEL from the PSU pack lower. Eternal is down about 0.5%. Remember, IT has had such a phenomenal week so far. So some of that is coming off. A little bit of profit taking. TCS, HCL Tech, Infosys. All these stocks have a tinge of red on them. Bajaj Finance is down another 0.5%. HDFC Bank is down about 0.5%. The Bank Nifty itself is down about 90 points at this juncture. So there's no one major stock that's kind of leading to this decline, but general sense of profit taking. On the upside, it is still Asian Paints, 4% higher, building on those gains. Tata Steel, the other one that's reported good numbers, 2% up there. Actually, even Hindalco is doing pretty okay. So metals are chugging along. Bharti Airtel and ICICI Bank are the other two big stocks that are ensuring that they provide a bit of a counter to the downside thrust on the Nifty. By the way, the mid-cap index is just broken in positive territory now, Nigel.
Well, that's right. You know, the few stocks from the broader markets, I think they deserve special mention. Aether Energy, we told you that, in fact, there's likely to be a large trade. That large trade got cleared out of the way. Post the large trade, the stock, in fact, is zooming up. It's up close to around 4%. Massive volumes in that particular name. Honasa has done quite well, as you already pointed out. A few other names, you know, Cupid. Stock is up 2.5%. The numbers look quite good, and they're sticking by their guidance, top-line guidance, and guiding for even better times to come. Net profit of around 100 crores is what they're talking about. So that's why one of the top volume movers. Grow continues to moving from strength to strength. Was up 30% yesterday, up another 3% today. And since silver prices perked up overnight, you have some traction on Hindustan Zinc as well as Vedanta. The street is hopeful that that demerger ultimately goes through. On the losing end, Kochi Shipyard, Kitex, as well as Ircon. All three of them are losing out. So for starters, Nifty down marginal, 25 points or thereabouts. Breadth of the market, though, is encouraging just in the first few minutes. Let's see how this goes.
Oh, absolutely. And I think there's enough out there, right? So Grow is the number one volume-led gainer on the index. And I think market cap should be, inching closer to a lakh crore? Not already, right?
No,
I think
83, 84,000 crores. Yeah.
So yesterday, 30% by close, another 3%. It's of course an interesting one. Asian Paints, right? 10% in 2 days, and I think now for the month so far, that is in November, it should be up over 12%. We've got Honasa, which continues to power higher, strong numbers, and large volumes. I mean, more than the price action. Data Patterns is up about 6.5%. Silver Bees making a comeback. Did we see a silver move last night? 4%
yes.
On silver Bees. Aether Energy, that block out of the way, 5% higher. Yatra was a big mover yesterday. RK Forging, Nazara is up. Universal Cables reported very strong numbers, 14% higher on this one. So you got lots of stuff. Indigo Paints, right? Absolutely bombed out name, but has been moving from about 1,000 rupees in 4 days back to about 1,200, nearly 1,300 now. So Care Ratings is another one, which is up about 7.5%. More of these listed silver ETFs, they're all coming up about 4-5% as we start. Cochin Shipyard is down 4.5%, maybe the number one volume-led loser across on the NSE right now.